Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run C++ in Visual Studio Code in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for that, you need to download and install Visual Studio Code and MinGW. I already downloaded Visual Studio Code and MinGW in my computer. After downloading these two, we will simply open the Visual Studio Code and then we're going to go for the file option and then going for open folder. And after that, we're going to look for desktop and then going to create a new folder for C++. And then we're going to select the folder. And here we open the C++ and we're going to create a new file, admin.cpp. And after that, here we can see that here is a notification comes in called, do you want to install the recommended C/C++ extension pack, extension for Microsoft for the C++ language? So you can simply install it by simply click on install. Also, you can do it by coming over into extensions. So we're going to install it over here. And as you can see, here is a C/C++ extension and it's installing and it's rightly installed. After we're going to go for the admin.cpp, I'm going to type a program. So for that, we're going to first give a hash and type here include. I'm going to give a space. I'm going to give the angular bracket. I'm going to give here iOS. I'm going to give the angular bracket. And then going to type here using namespace std. Going to give a clone. So here I made a spelling mistake. So after that, the iOS stream and using namespace std. And then we're going to type here int main. Going to give the first bracket and then we're going to give a curly bracket. Into the curly bracket we can simply type triangular bracket and then here we're going to type learning coding. Going to give some dash and after we're going to give the clone and then we're going to type here return and the return is 0. I'm going to give a clone. And that's it. We're going to save everything. And now we're going to run this program. So for that, we need to download an extension called run. So you can simply type here run and you can simply get the run code runner extension over here. And as you can see, I already downloaded it and install it. So you can simply click a install button if you didn't download it before. So after that, I'm going to come over into the admin.cpp and after we're going to run the code. So for that, we're going to click the right mouse button and then here we're going to find the option called run code. Click on that and as you can see that the learning coding comes in and this is how we can simply run C++ in Visual Studio Code by simply this method. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.